Welcome back, viewers. I'm Dipsirat Kaur and you're watching The Savera. In a move that could significantly impact India's ambitions in the global medical technology space, the United States has imposed a steep 26% tariff on Indian medical device exports. We all know that. The decision, part of the broader tariff action under the Trump-era trade policies being revived, is expected to create major ripples in India's health tech manufacturing sector. The US government's latest decision to hike tariffs on Indian medical devices from a previous average of 0% to 6%, now up to 26%, has sent shockwaves across the Indian medtech industry. This steep rise directly affects India's $714 million worth of medical exports to the US, which is also India's largest market for these devices. While Indian pharmaceutical exports remain exempt from this hike, the device sector, especially manufacturers of low-cost consumables, is likely to take a hit. Industry experts say that India's competitive edge may shrink, particularly when compared to Chinese manufacturers, despite them facing a slightly higher tariff of 34%. With India still dependent on imports for $1.5 billion worth of medical devices from the US, the trade imbalance could further deepen down. Moreover, there are growing concerns that countries might start using third-party nations like the UK or UAE to bypass the tariffs altogether. The Indian government is now under pressure to seek a diplomatic resolution, especially at the time when broader trade negotiations between the two countries are in motion. As the global medical supply chain continues to recover from the pandemic's impact, this tariff shock has arrived at a fragile time for Indian manufacturers. How New Delhi navigates this challenge will be critical, not just for trade, but also for India's ambition to be a medtech powerhouse. That's all for now, viewers, but stay tuned to The Savera as we'll keep bringing you further updates from this developing story. Like, share and subscribe us through your social media handles and download the Savera app for real-time news.